Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sosoko. So are you having difficulties fixing your background after snapping? Don't worry, this video got you covered. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to duplicate this background layer by bringing it down here or clicking Command J to duplicate the layer. So after duplicating the background layer, I will go ahead cleaning up this part that you're seeing here. So I'm just going to make a quick selection of it, and I'll make this other part as well. So instead of using the clone stamp to fill it up, I'll just right click, then click on field and make sure it's on content away. So after that, I'll just click OK. So you leave it to load. It might take a while, so you just wait for it to load. And after loading, you can see it has actually filled this place automatically. So I'm just going to deselect it. So I'll now group this background layer you're seeing here by dragging it down to this point. So now I've grouped it. So what I'm going to do next is to add the layer mask, selecting just the subject because I'm going to be working on the background only. So I'll just right click. You can use your quick selection, but mine I already have a selection being saved. So I'm just going to select the subject and I'll hit OK. After that, I'll just create a layer mask. So the layer mask, I want to select just the subject right here. So I'm just going to invert it by clicking on Command I. So anything I'm doing on the background, so I'll just select the layer and get to the group. So anything I'm doing inside this group, it won't affect the subject, just the background. So this was just an example. So after doing this, I want to add solid color to it, but before adding solid color, I'll click on the rectangular tool. So after that, I'll just mark the area because trying to make your image look realistic, the upper side must be brighter than the down part just to make it look realistic. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll now pick on the eye picker tool just to pick a sample color of this background here. So after picking it, I'll add a solid color to it. So you can now see, I just click OK. You can now see, and I'm going to reduce the opacity to 80. So after reducing the opacity, I'll click on the layer mask and I'll add fader to it so it won't look really obvious. So I think that's fine. So after adding the layer mask, I'll now select the layer mask here, and I'm going to invert it so you can just select the down part. So after inverting it, what I want to do now, I want to brush this down part. So I'm going to use my mixer brush. Make sure it's on a clean brush and the width should be 30, load 30, mix 30, and everything should be 30. So after that, I'll just head into brushing just to make the down part look smooth. Sorry, once you want to brush, make sure you come right to this layer and select it. So I'll be using that layer down to brush. I'll just head in and start brushing. And when you're actually brushing, you don't need to make it look too fake. So you just need a mild brushing on it. I'll just reduce the brush, then I'll just brush it slowly. So brushing the down part, this is the before and after of it. So I'll just make a finishing touch to it. After that, I'll deselect the selection. You can now see the image is starting to look nice. The background. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want to make the background clean. So what I'm going to use, there are many options. I can choose to use the vibrance, I can use the hue and saturation, I can use the black and white. But on this video right here, I'm going to use the black and white, which I'm just going to click on the black and white. So I won't do any adjustment here. I'll just leave everything to be as it is. So after that you can sorry guys, after that you can now see the background is looking clean, and I want to add a little bit of this to it, just so it can make it look kind of milky and nice. So after adding that, let's see the before and after. You can now see it looking realistic, but just to make it look more unique, I want to add a window reflection on this background. So I'll just come to the move tool, and this is the window reflection which I want to use. So I'll just drag it to the picture, so you can now see. I'll now click on Command T to transform and place it well. So I'll just reduce this. That's actually how I want to place it. So after placing it right like that, I'm going to add blur, Gaussian blur to it, just so it can look realistic. So 4 is fine. So after adding that, I think the background is kind of dull, so I'll just add brightness to 5. So after doing brightness to 5, you can now see the before and after of the background, and you can now see right now it's really looking realistic and unique. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, see you in the next video.